My legs aren't too bad after playing football yesterday evening. It's probably more going to bed after midnight and being up at 5 something a few hours later that's made me feel slightly tired. However, that was just when the alarm went off. Having said that, I was up before the alarm anyway. So my body was telling me, take me fishing, and you know what they say, listen to your body. First cup of tea of the day though. That's always special, isn't it? I've cast out, watching the float, and I'll be back with a roach. I wrote in my last angling related blog post about a change of philosophy as far as fishing's concerned, change of approach, and it's working. And although I didn't get many roach, they were definitely bigger than I would have had if I'd have gone for a small hook and a maggot. So that's the way forward. And it's always nice to come home and have a big fuss from Dilwyn.